There's a new AI video style that's becoming popular on short-form platforms. These jelly-style videos are satisfying to watch, easy to create, and can get a lot of engagement. In this video, I'll show you the complete process from generating an idea to creating the final video. First, copy the master prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate multiple video ideas. Choose the one you like. I'll select idea number 4. ChatGPT will then create a detailed video prompt. Copy that prompt. Next, open Google Flow and switch to video generation mode. Choose your preferred aspect ratio and quality settings. For the best results, use the OmniFlash model. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Once the video is ready, review the result. If you want another video, go back to ChatGPT and type 10. It will generate a new prompt with a different concept. Copy the new prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and generate another video. You can repeat this process to create unlimited jelly-style AI videos with different ideas and characters. When you're satisfied with the result, export the video in the highest quality and upload it to your preferred platform. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.